A picture paints 1,000 words, but it is your job to find just the right words to paint your story. Have you ever been halfway into writing a story, then realizing, oh no, I have misinterpreted the picture? My writers at work teachers have also been so stressed about the idea of me losing content marks because I forgot to use a picture, or I used it but only mentioned it once. How do we solve those issues? Just remember that using pictures precisely is as easy as APE. Letter A. Scene 1. Ready? Action! Pictures are presented in a frozen format because that's what they are. A frozen piece of time. Unfreeze the picture to deduce the before, now, and after of a picture. This also helps with deciding the setting of your story. Letter P. Grumpy old man, or an old man frowning with crow's feet blossoming by the sides of his eyes. What makes us immediately different from each other is our physical appearance. Look at a picture carefully and describe physical appearances as detailed as possible. But of course, don't forget A, and remember to put the picture in action. E for emotions. Telling someone how you feel isn't going to cut it. You have to show them. Remember to use show not tell phrases or idioms to help your reader empathize with you. For example, instead of writing, "She was crying," replace the emotion with what shows that she is crying. Tears stream down her rosy cheeks, her shoulders heaving. APE is especially useful for pictures with people and places. However, if you happen to use an object as your chosen picture, remember that you can see, think about, and feel an object. For example, there it was, sitting majestically on a podium, its golden sheen reflecting back at me. This sentence shows that you can see the object. Were you already able to guess the object? Correct! The picture is a trophy. Next, I envision myself raising the golden trophy high in the sky, celebrating my win. Lastly, cupping my hands around its rough edges, I held the trophy in a tight grip, my vision materializing. And that's it! Remember to use APE to put your chosen picture to good use.